This is a new tune I just wrote today. I'll send it out to someone special. It's called Loved and Lost. You came into my life like a candle in the wind. I never loved so hard, and I never will again. That's the way it goes. Oh, and heaven knows I still love you. One day you were gone, like the changing of the tides. There's a hole inside my heart, and now I realize it's a crazy world. Oh, I miss you, girl. What can I do? I forgive you, but I won't forget how you let me take the fall. Whoever said it's better to have loved and lost than never to have loved at all, never loved you. The first time that we met, I fell for you so hard. We were meant to be, but it wasn't in the cards. Oh, but I don't know how to let you go. I wish you could have stayed. Broke my tender heart when you broke my trust. You let those demons win when you chose them over us. You know how I feel, and the pain is real. I was so betrayed. I forgive you, but I won't forget how you let me take the fall. Whoever said it's better to have loved and lost than never to have loved at all, never loved you. True relationship is two imperfect people refusing to give up on each other. I don't want to give up, and I don't want to be with another. Take the fall. Whoever said it's better to have loved and lost than never to have loved at all, never loved you. You came into my life like a candle in the wind. I never loved so hard, and I never will again. That's the truth.